Okay, guys, so we're videotaping Zia burping. Let's see if a
10 times.
girl... 10 times. Whoa, let's see if you can burp 10 times in a row.
3, 2, 1.
Go. 1, 2.
3,
4, 5, 6.
7,
No, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh,
So disgusting!
Oh my God, Zia! Congratulations! You are the first girl to burp 10 times in a row. What do you? 11 times in a row. What do you say? Yeah.
Over there.
What do you say?
What?
What do you say?
I don't know.
Bite the camera. Okay. What do you say?
Bite the camera.
No. You were really tall. Ew, that's a 12 times. 12, 13 times. 14, 15.
Crushing it!
Oh my God.
Oh no.
She cannot stop burping, guys.
And give me 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, she burped so much for you guys to... The baby just burped.
I can't do that.
Yeah, she can do that. Another baby.
Hey, shut up.
And I'm yeah, they're wearing my pajamas, but
Bye-bye.